Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable the advanced roadmap feature in Jira. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to unlock this powerful project planning tool, but you'll also know why each step is important for successful team collaboration and long-term planning. Whether you're a project manager, scrum master, or just curious about Jira's robust features, stick with me. This is a must-know capability for any Jira software user wanting to map out the big picture. Let's jump right in with the first essential step, upgrading to Jira's premium plan. Now, Advanced Roadmap isn't available on every Jira tier. It's a premium feature, so you'll need to make sure your instance is eligible. If you're already on the premium plan, you might find the roadmap ready and waiting in your company-managed projects. But if not, here's what you do. Start by logging into your Jira instance as an administrator. It's super important you have admin rights because only admins can change billing and subscription settings. If you're unsure whether you have the right permissions, check with your team lead or whoever manages your organization's Jira account. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of your screen for the little gear icon. That's your gateway to settings. Click on the gear and select Billing. This will open up the area where all things subscription-related live. If you don't see exactly Billing, sometimes the menu labels might differ slightly depending on your Jira version or whether you're using cloud or server, but you're looking for anything related to managed subscriptions or billing. Next, in the billing or subscription section, find your Jira software product. If your organization uses multiple Atlassian tools, make sure you pick Jira software specifically since that's what controls your roadmap features. Here you should spot an option like Change Plan. Go ahead and click that. Often, Jira provides a free trial when you switch to premium, so you can test drive Advanced Roadmap before you fully commit, like taking a new car for a spin before you buy. Now, the app will walk you through a few prompts. Just follow along, confirming each step. Jira might ask you to review pricing, your current user count, and other details. Double-check these, especially if you administer a large team, because pricing often scales with the number of active users. Take a breath here. This part might take a few moments as Jira processes the subscription upgrade. Once you've completed the upgrade, congratulations. You've set the stage for unlocking Advanced Roadmap. For folks on the premium plan, the roadmap feature usually flips on automatically for company-managed projects. However, it's always a good idea to double-check your project settings. Sometimes newly enabled features need a quick refresh or re-login to appear. Advanced Roadmap is a real game-changer. Think of it as your team's project GPS, giving you a visual, interactive timeline so you can plan, forecast, and adapt as your projects evolve. Whether you're scaling a massive release or juggling multiple projects, this tool helps you chart the path forward, spot dependencies, and keep everyone on the same page. If you hit any snags during the upgrade process, maybe a subscription option looks different, or your roadmap feature isn't showing up, don't worry. Drop your question in the comments below and I'll do my best to help out, or at least point you in the right direction. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Got a question or want to share your own Jira tips? Leave a comment below. I'd love to continue the conversation. And if you want more tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. See you in the next video.